What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to turn off high contrast dark theme in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on VN enhancements and then tap on high contrast theme. So if you have turned on a high contrast theme, then to turn it off, tap on none and then it will apply the default theme. So now you can see the high contrast theme is now turned off. So that's how you can turn on or turn off high contrast dark theme in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.